Hello everyone, I am Pavitra from ECB section. In this video, I would like to expose my application project which is 3D printing of pharmaceuticals. So these are the topics that we are going to see now. 3D printing in pharmaceutical, a promising future in medicine, what is meant by 3D printing, process of 3D printing, application in medical or pharmaceutical field, personalized drug dosing, modulating drug release, merits of 3D printing, obstacles and the challenges, recent advancement and conclusion. It's really a colossal task for the parents to take their children to the doctor, and no matter how hard we try, they simply would not take their medicine. Children get anxious to see the doctor, and it is even more difficult to take the pills and medicine. I will tell you one real-time application. On visit to a pediatrician who after diagnosis asked the child, "What's your favorite cartoon?" The child replied with very friendly tone and enthusiasm, "A Doraemon." After a couple of minutes later, he or she would be surprised and amazed to see a blue-colored Doraemon-shaped tablet appears from the three-dimensional printer in the hospital pharmacy. Now imagine a future in which medication is available exactly to our individual needs. A single tablet containing multiple drugs, which means no need to take so many pills a day. A desired size and the shape of the tablets, and drug release as per the individual needs. Before we enter into the topic, we want to know what is meant by 3D printing. 3D printing is otherwise known as an additive manufacturing process, began in the late 1980s. It's a digital manufacturing process that creates three-dimensional object layer upon layer using a variety of polymers, metals and ceramics. This story may sound fanciful and unbelievable, but 3D printing technology promises a future of drugs and medicine printed on demand, personalized with customized doses. Three-dimensional printing technology relies on computer-aided design to achieve the utmost flexibility, time-saving and exceptional manufacturing capability of pharmaceutical medicine. The process of 3D printing. Firstly, there is a creation of 3D image using a CAD software. CAD information is then sent to the printer, and then the printer creates the object by depositing the material layer by layer. At last, solidification happens. 3D printing technology has a wide application in architecture, aerospace, cosmetic, healthcare, automotive and defense. 3D printing has been widely used for many years in medical fields such as printing new jawbones, hearing aids, art waves, eye sockets and dental implants. Recently, many pharmaceutical researchers have been working hard towards this case of technology to manufacture a customized pharmaceutical drug product. Personalized drug dosing. 3D printing could add a whole new aspect of possibilities to personalized medicine. A doctor or a pharmacist could be able to modulate the medication as per the individual patient's need. 3D printing may also allow a single pill to have a combination of the drugs to treat the multiple ailments. 3D printing could also be used to create a unique pharmaceutical dosage forms, maybe the shape, color, size and the taste which one likes. Modulating drug release. Drug release means how pills broken down and release the drug for the desired activity. 3D printing makes it possible to print the personalized drug and fabrication of the dosage form with specific design release profiles. Designing and printing the drugs would make it much easier to understand and control the release of the drugs as per the need and circadian rhythm. Merits of 3D printing. Compared to the conventional pharmaceutical product manufacturing process, there are three-dimensional printing offers a lot of advantages as high and efficient production rates, ability to achieve high drug loading with the desired precision and accuracy, minimum material wastage which can save in the cost of production. It would facilitate in optimizing the dose of drug, thereby improving the drug efficiency and minimizing the associated toxicity and the side effects. Obstacles and challenges. Although 3D printing technology seems to be the promising future in drug delivery medicine, there are some obstacles and the challenges like huge scale of investment is required, actual implementation of application, safety and security concerns, lack of regulation of 3D printing, selections of appropriate excipients and polymers, post-treatment method and optimization. The recent advancement in the medical field. Recently, FDA has approved the first 3D printed drug and anti-epilepsy drug made with an Aprica pharmaceutical property 3D printing technology called as a ZipDose. This technology creates a pill that rapidly disintegrates with a sip of liquid and allow high drug load up to 1 gram and to be delivered in a single dose. 3D printing in hot melt extrusion technique. A technique already used in a pharmaceutical industry to make the polymer blends of drugs that are very soluble. When HME is used, the drug and the polymer are heated, mixed and squeezed through a small aperture. This disperses the drug in the polymer, and this polymer can then be shaped into a tablet. No need to surprise if you see 3D printing in every doctor office and hospital in the near future. Conclusion. 3D printing technology has the potential to help in drug and product development, manufacturing and the dispensing of medicines. It could be the boon for the personalized medicine. Thank you. And I am very glad to our college management, especially my department, for providing this wonderful opportunity for giving the moral and the technical support throughout this pandemic situation. I am really thankful to my mentor ma'am, Ms. Bhardastija ma'am, Year Coordinator ma'am, Ms. Inbamala ma'am, and HOD sir, Dr. Gangadharan sir, for fetching up the theoretical knowledge into practical implementation. And I am here signing off here. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Thank you so much.